Next, I'm going to do this piece. Hook my finger and run it across. There we go. I'm off. I'm back doing my rail. I'm going to move over to this side of the table because now we got to do the stick part of it. Push stick. You guys need these. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch my dust hose over here. I'm going to plug this puppy in right now. Oh, I love that. Keeps it simple. And we're going to talk about, let me get my pieces because I got X's on them. Make sure I did them right. I got my X's here. And now you're going to see where I could have possibly had tear out here, but when I run the style bit, it cleans it all out. So I get that really crisp edge. All right, this is going to be for later, so we'll set that there. I put the style bit, the matching one. I set it up, where's my sample? Right here. I made sure with the micro adjust that that was set perfect like that to mirror that. I put that bearing in there. It doesn't have to be at 90 degrees. It could be offset a little bit. It's a round bit with a bearing. Good? You all understand that? Here's the next part right here. Here's my piece I'm going to run. Ooh. I'm going to get my inside edge. Where are you? Here's my inside edge that I marked right here, so you guys can see that. And that's the part that's going to go up here against the fence with the face down. Good. So I'll get all my pieces, parts right here, nice and neat, and I'm going to set it up. You guys get the best bird's eye view of this. Hopefully you guys are all seeing this up on the... When I set this, see my hold down? I'd set that yesterday afternoon, so it's holding it down to the deck. So I have no movement. My hands are not coming near this. And this one is so cool. Those two little tines right there, and you have this big feathering part here. If I take that, and I take my leading edge and I push it right here, I hold it just like this. Now that's holding and putting perfect pressure up against there. And as you guys see how we're going to run this, and Evan's in the right position, you're going to see when I run this, and I start to take it through, and I have this like this, and I start to push it across there, my hand goes right here. Because I'm holding those two little plastic tines and putting perfect pressure right up all the way to the bit. And then as I push this through, as I cut it, just kidding, as I push it through, my hand shifts to the front leading edge of it, so it's supported right through. So as I get it past there, I just come to the other side and pull it out. Guess what? My hands are never near that router bit. It's super safe. Once again, before you cycle on a router, double check that everything is right. I got my zero clearance insert. I tighten this all up, make sure I'm in, make sure all my knobs are tight. Take it like that. I'm going to cycle it on. I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's finish this cope and stick up. So I got it on like this. I want, if you guys look in here, I want that a little bit in. So I'm going to take this and just readjust this. I'm going to open the knob, bring it in just a hair, just like this. I want a little more pressure on there. Lock that in and take it back. See? It's a good thing I just did a quick walkthrough on that. Good. Perfect. Double check. Watch my hand right here. Evan, I'm going to show you this right here. I'm going to get Evan to come in here. Look how crisp that is right